Getting a regular good night's sleep is essential for maintaining good physical and mental health. However, many people struggle with overthinking at night, making it difficult to fall asleep. If you've ever found yourself lying awake, unable to shut off your racing thoughts, you know how frustrating it can be. In this video, we'll explore practical techniques to help you overcome overthinking and establish a bedtime routine that promotes restful sleep. Let's dive in. Section 1. Techniques to help you fall asleep. One of the most effective ways to calm your mind and body is through deep breathing. Overthinking can lead to shallow, rapid breathing, which only exacerbates anxiety. Here's a simple method. Lie down comfortably or sit up if needed. Inhale through your nose for 4 seconds, filling your belly with air. Hold your breath for 7 seconds, then exhale slowly through your mouth for 8 seconds. Repeat this cycle for about 10 minutes. Deep breathing helps release physical tension and promotes relaxation, making it easier to drift off to sleep. Meditation is another powerful tool to clear your mind. Focus on your breath and the present moment, letting go of unhelpful thoughts. Guided meditations can be particularly useful. There are plenty of free resources online designed to help you stop overthinking and encourage restful sleep. Progressive muscle relaxation involves tensing and then relaxing each muscle group in your body. Start with your toes, move to your calves, then thighs, and continue up to your shoulders. Inhale and tense a muscle group for 5 seconds. Exhale and release the tension. Move to the next muscle group and repeat. This technique helps to release physical tension and signals to your brain that it's time to relax. Section 2. Distracting yourself from overthinking. Reading can be an excellent way to distract yourself from overthinking. Keep a few books by your bed. As you read, immerse yourself in the story and characters. Focus on the feel of the book in your hands. This shift in focus can make you sleepy. Remember to keep the lights dim to maintain a sleep-friendly environment. Overthinking often involves negative thoughts. Combat this by making a gratitude list. Reflect on positive moments from your day, no matter how small. It could be a pleasant walk, a good conversation, or a delicious cup of coffee. You can either write this list down or simply think about it. Focusing on positive thoughts can ease anxiety and promote sleep. If you have pressing worries or tasks that keep running through your mind, write them down. Keep a pen and paper or a journal by your bed and jot down everything you need to do the next day. This simple act can clear your mind, making it easier to relax. Spend no more than 15-20 minutes on this to avoid stimulating your brain too much. Sometimes talking about your thoughts can help. If someone you trust is awake, share what's on your mind. They don't need to solve your problems. Just listening can make a big difference. If there's no one available, consider talking to someone in the morning. This can help clear your thoughts for the following night. If overthinking regularly disrupts your sleep, consider seeking professional help. A doctor or mental health professional can provide strategies tailored to your needs. In some cases, medication may be necessary to help you sleep and reduce overthinking. Section 3. Creating a pre-bed routine. Whether you've had a busy day or a relaxing one, your mind and body need time to unwind before bed. Allocate 1 hour each night to your pre-bed routine. This time should be free from gadgets and stress. Consistency is key. The more you stick to your routine, the more effective it will be. While it might be tempting to scroll through social media or watch TV before bed, this can be counterproductive. The blue light from screens stimulates your brain, making it harder to sleep and easier to overthink. Turn off your devices and keep them away from your bed. If notifications disrupt your routine, switch your device to flight mode. Choose 3-4 calming activities to include in your pre-bed routine. These could be reading a book, drinking a cup of your favorite tea, taking a warm bath or shower, writing in a journal, or practicing meditation. These activities should be quiet and soothing, helping you feel relaxed and ready for sleep. Conclusion. Overcoming overthinking at night is possible with the right techniques and a consistent bedtime routine. Practice deep breathing, meditation, and progressive muscle relaxation to calm your mind and body. Distract yourself with reading, gratitude lists, and writing down tasks. Finally, establish a pre-bed routine that includes calming activities and avoids technology. If you continue to struggle, don't hesitate to seek professional help. By incorporating these strategies, you can conquer overthinking and enjoy a restful night's sleep. Thanks for watching and sweet dreams. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like and subscribe for more tips on improving your mental and physical well-being. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Sleep well and take care.